Fancy a dip in the ocean with this ultra cool Seawaves cake. You literally have to see it to believe it. It's so cool. Start with some grey fondant icing and roll it into a fat sausage shape. Form the ends to a slight point. This is going to make the main body of our dolphin. Cut a slice in one end, that's going to make the tail. Just separate those out, squish them down a bit. And a slice for the mouth. Just moulding that like so. Brilliant! Paint on a little water to the underside and stick on a thin layer of white fondant icing, and that's for the belly. How about a fondant eye too? Let's use some black fondant icing for that. Great, put that aside and get your plain vanilla cake. We're going to fill it with light blue buttercream icing, keeping in the theme of sea. So we're using blue, coating the entire outside of our cake. 2 lovely thick layers of vanilla sponge cake there. Smoothing it over. Now using a food piping bag with a serrated edge nozzle, you can use a darker blue buttercream icing on the bottom and a lighter blue buttercream icing on the top to create your waves. Even lighter at the very top, so we're doing a kind of faded effect here. Swirly patterns to look like the ocean waves. And using a wooden stick, you can just pop in your fondant dolphins, as many as you like. How about a tail and some blue sprinkles? Look at that. A work of art, I say. Too good to eat, don't you think? Oh, okay then. Just one slice.